Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to split the full name into three parts using Parsename function. So Parsename is the function in SQL Server. So which take two arguments. First one is object name. Object name. Second one is object piece. Okay. So this function is to extract part of the object name. So as per the given number in the object piece. This object piece will take integer. It will take 1 to 4. 1 to 4. So in the from the object name as per the delimiter, so it will extract part of the object name in Parsename function. So I will give one example. So here I am using Parsename function. So in the Parsename function, I am taking object name first as my server name. So what is my server name here? Admin. Admin is my server name. I am giving admin. Okay. Next dot. So I am taking dot. After admin, I am taking schema name. What is my schema name? DBO. Okay. DBO is my schema name. Okay. Next, my database name. So here I use it to take my database name as healthcare. Healthcare is my database name. Again dot. Okay. Next, table name. So table name is I am taking sales. In the healthcare I have one table called sales. Okay. This entire thing is an object name. This entire thing is object name. See, within single quotes. Next, object piece. Okay. So here I am giving object piece as second argument as 4. Okay. As so here I am taking as server name as alias name. Okay. Server name as alias name. Okay. Next I am taking 3. So 3 I am giving here schema name. Schema name. Next I am taking here as 2. 2 as DB name. DB name. And finally I am taking 1. 1 as table name. See here, server name admin, DBO is schema name, healthcare is database name, and sales is my table name. So by this way, this parse name used to extract part of the object as per the given object piece. Okay. So this is about the parse name function. Now, so I will tell on the table how to use this Parsename function. So this is my person table which contain full name of all different cricketers name. Okay. So I use it to get I use to extract 3 different parts. Okay. By using this Parsename function. So here I am writing query select. So first I am taking full name from my table name is person. Okay. Next I am using Parsename function. Parse name. So as usual it will take object name. So here instead of object name I am using replace function. Replace I am taking full name. Full name as an argument. So my second one is I want to get replace space in the full name with dot symbol. because Parsename is used to extract the object as per the delimiter in the dot. Okay. So next argument here I am taking as 3. Okay. As first underscore name. First underscore name. So if I execute this query, so we will see. So it will take from full name, it will take first name as Sachin. So some of the players doesn't have any first name. That is why it is getting null. Okay, this is for first name. So I am taking the same syntax for middle name. This time I am taking same syntax for middle name. Just I am changing here to 2, and here I am replacing as middle. Okay, remove the comma here and execute the query. Now you can see middle name. So Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar is the name. First name Sachin, middle name Ramesh. Okay. Next, last function. I am using last one as one last name. So when the full name consists of 3 parts, it will split. Okay. When some of the players' name doesn't have 3 parts, only 2 parts. At that time, first name is showing as a null. So by this way, you can split the full name into 3 different parts. So the only logic is here. First, we need to replace this space into dot, as I shown earlier in case of server name. See, in this object name, admin, schema, database, and table. So each one is separated with the dot symbol. So by using replace function, I am replacing the space into dot symbol, so that this Parsename will extract as per the given number. Okay, this is the only tricky part here. So as usual, Parsename will extract as per the given number from the object name. So by this way, you can split the name into 3 different parts using Parsename function. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.